In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Steam from loading up every single time you turn on your computer. And there's two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you the simplest way that works for Steam and for lots of other programs. So what you want to do is press Control, Alt, and then Delete, and then select the Task Manager. It will then open up this here. So you want to choose Startup, and then you'll find Steam here. And you select it, you can see it's having a high impact on startup, so it's a bit of a nuisance. Then if you press disable, it will change to disabled here, and you're now not going to have that running on startup. That's one way of doing it, and it should work for any program, not just Steam. Alternatively, what you can do is you can log into your account and you can find in settings a option that lets you turn off the running on startup. So I just log in here, and then you'll find inside your account where it says Steam here. Then you can go to settings. So we close that ad. So we want to go Steam, then we go settings, and then we can open this up here, and you want to find where it says interface, and then you'll see where it's got run Steam when my computer starts. You don't want that to happen, so you press the tick here and then OK. And so that should ensure that it's definitely not going to run on startup. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe below. And finally, thank you very much for watching.